Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the white background from your images in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Adobe Photoshop software. Now, open the image you want to remove the background from. Go to the file and click on Open. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Select the file and click Open. This will open the image in Photoshop. Next, go to Select and click on All to select the whole image. Then go to Edit and click on Copy. Now create a new layer by clicking on this icon. Delete the previous layer like this. Select the Paint Bucket tool and make the background of this layer black by clicking on it. Now click on this icon and then click on the layer while holding the Alt key. Go to Edit and paste the image you just copied. Then click on Image, go to the Adjustments and click Invert. Now go to the black layer, deselect the image by going to Select and click Deselect. Your image without the background is ready. Finally, go to File, click Export and select Export as PNG. Choose a location, click Save and your image will be saved. Let's check the result. Look at that, the background is now removed, and that's how you can easily remove a background in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.